Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am going to be preparing for you my famous potato salad, and this potato salad, guys, is especially for persons who do not like mixed vegetables. It is a potato salad that is prepared with just some sweet pepper, some red onions, and some escallion. Potato salad really isn't potato salad without your hard-boiled eggs as well as your potatoes. So I'm just gonna show you how I put this together, and guys, this is the bomb, trust me. Any event that I cater and I do this potato salad, it's normally gone, the first thing gone. So I'm just gonna show you guys today how to make this. And I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and remember to subscribe to my channel and share. So first we need some Irish potatoes. This is about 2 pounds of Irish potatoes. Guys, look at the size of the potatoes. You realize I haven't cut them too small. And also, guys, you want to be careful of overcooking. So we have some red sweet pepper, some our bell pepper, red, yellow, green for color, to make it pretty, as well as some red onions and some escallions. And for the scallions, I'm only using the green part, the stalk of the scallion. That's what I'm using. So we're gonna put our Irish to boil along with our eggs, and I like to add my Irish to cold water so as to not shock them, with some salt. So once we have that cooked, then we're gonna go ahead, strain and drain, and add our seasonings and eggs. I also added a little bit of shredded fresh carrots, and I'm gonna be using my mayonnaise, guys. And this is the bomb craft. Mayonnaise matters in the taste of your food. And also remember to add some salt to taste. You're gonna stir it together, and once you're finished, it should be looking as beautiful as this. Nothing too special, but absolutely tasty. Remember, do not overcook your potatoes because you need to have that bite to the potatoes, right? And today I'm serving this with some plantain, some avocado, some tomatoes, some fresh tomatoes, right? And this is a great side to go with your dinner. Say Valentine's is coming up and you're planning something for your spouse. This is really quick and easy to do. You can always add this as a side dish. So just want to say thank you so much for watching today. Anyways, yeah, thank you so much for watching today. And remember, guys, like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. And I just want to say thank you while I'm at it, because I got 1,500 views on my cake.